So I've been looking at Super Affiliate site, and the big promise is simple. It helps you build faceless affiliate review channels without filming, editing, or posting manually. So what exactly is this thing? Is it a video editor, a course, or a full system?
From the page, it's positioned as a complete channel in a box for affiliate reviews. It finds products, writes the scripts, creates the videos, and publishes them across multiple platforms.
That already sounds very different from a normal AA tool.
Yes, the main angle is automation. It's built for faceless review channels on YouTube, Shorts, Reels, and TikTok.
And the reason people would want this is pretty obvious. Review channels can be effective, but they take a lot of moving parts.
Exactly. The page says most people get stuck on 5 things: being on camera, editing, consistency, product research, and cross-platform posting.
That's the real pain point. Not motivation, execution.
Right. And Super Affiliate SI is marketed as the system that removes those chores so you can focus on the channel, not the busy work.
The workflow is laid out in 4 steps, and I like that because it makes the product easier to understand.
Step 1. It finds products. It can search JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or analyze any product URL you paste in.
Then it builds a product intelligence profile, right?
Yes, and that profile includes what the product does, who it's for, pricing, pros and cons, and red flags.
That part matters because the reviews are supposed to sound honest, not hype-heavy.
Exactly. Step 2 is script creation. The page says it writes 2 voice review scripts with a curious host and a skeptical analyst.
That's smart, because it feels more like a conversation than an ad.
Then step 3 is video creation and publishing. It generates scroll capture videos, captions, thumbnails, and can publish to YouTube, Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok.
And step 4 is auto mode, where it can choose products and keep posting daily. I think the strongest idea here is not just making videos faster.
I agree. The standout is the way it tries to automate the entire review channel workflow, from discovery to publishing.
And the 2-voice format is probably the most compelling creative feature.
Because it can make a review feel more balanced. The page is very clear that this is meant to sound human, not robotic.
I also like that it includes thumbnail variants and SEO-style metadata, because those are the parts many beginners overlook.
Plus, the Review Hub mini sites and social card packs make it feel more like a full publishing system than a single app.
Let's talk pricing, because the page is actually pretty upfront about the entry points.
It shows $35 for starter access and $37 for commercial access, both framed as one-time launch offers with no monthly fees.
And there's also a bigger bundle style option listed at $137, plus a yearly price of $317.
Yes. If you want the basic workflow, the front end looks accessible. If you want deeper automation and more advanced tools, the page clearly suggests higher tier options.
So the real value question is whether you'll actually use the automation to produce consistent review content.
That's the key. For someone serious about faceless affiliate channels, the package is positioned as a time saver and an execution system.
The sales page also leans on proof and support.
Right. It shows testimonials, a step-by-step demo flow, and a JVZoo Seal True badge claim.
It also includes bonuses like the product shortlist, niche guide, thumbnail pack, scripts wide file, and live training.
And the risk reversal is a 14-day money-back guarantee, which is a helpful safety net for launch buyers.
I always like seeing a clear refund window, because it gives people time to test the workflow.
Exactly. It's still important to remember that results vary, but the page does give you a defined guarantee period and a lot of bundled support.
So who is this actually best for?
First, beginners who want a guided system and don't want to figure out scripting, editing, and publishing on their own.
Second, affiliate marketers who already understand offers but need a faster way to create content at scale.
And third, camera-shy creators or busy side hustlers who want faceless content and more automation than a normal video tool provides.
That's a pretty clear fit profile.
Yes, if you want hands-off convenience and a full review channel workflow, this is aimed squarely at you.
My honest take is that Super Affiliate site is most compelling as an execution system, not just a software tool. If you want to build faceless affiliate review content, the page gives you a clear workflow, clear pricing, and a lot of automation features that reduce the hardest parts of the process. It's best for people who want speed, structure, and multi-platform publishing. Results vary, of course, but as a launch offer, it looks like a practical option for creators who want to move faster. If you want to check it out, use my link in the description.